Bye guys, thank you. Have a great night.
Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make pork roast. Alright, so the first thing that I'm going to do is to prepare the apple and the garlic. I have like one apple. This is a very small roast, so you can use more apple if you have a bigger pork roast. And here I have about 3 cloves of garlic. You can vary the amount that you're using to make this because it really depends on how much meat you have. So I will still have a list of ingredients with amounts on the site, but that's really just a reference. You can adjust everything to your own tasting.
It seems how life goes sometimes, falling behind. You lose all faith in what you believe. So listen to my words, listen to them loud. The stick is burning and my tongue is out. Touch the burning end, oh, oh, my tongue touch the burning end. My tongue touch the burning end, oh, oh, my tongue touch the burning end. Oh, I'm burning out.
Then we move on to a large pot or Dutch oven. Whatever goes into your oven is the best, otherwise you can just use any pan or pot that you have and then transfer everything into a baking dish afterwards.
All things are backwards now. The bass line it plays so loud. And how did you fit in here? These things are not very clear. I wonder why I tried to find this piece of mind.
Make sure to sear the meat on each side to make sure to lock in all the delicious juices.
My tongue touch the burning end, oh, oh, my tongue touch the burning end. My tongue touch the burning end, oh, oh, my tongue touch the burning end. Oh, I'm burning out.
And when that is done, just put that aside in a plate, and we're going to cook the apple for a while and then add the garlic at the end. We're going to mash it also with a fork to make it like a smooth sauce that we're going to spread over our pork roast. And to the apple and garlic, I'm adding just a tiny pinch of nutmeg and also a little bit of rosemary.
tongue touch the burning end.
You're done and you can eat. This is very good with mashed potatoes or rice or any kind of vegetables. You can serve that also with a nice salad on the side. It's very versatile. Then with the leftovers you can make sandwiches and soups and all sorts of stuff like that.
Tongue touched the burning end. People walk around just not to know.
I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already done that. Also, leave me a comment down below telling me if you like this recipe or if you would like to request another recipe for a future episode. You can also add me as a friend on YouTube, on Google+. You can follow me on the Twitter, and I'll see you next time.
At the top of my lungs. Don't move, you'll get hit by the guns, yeah.